So baby Peyton's getting his second sponge bath, and obviously he does not like it. Oh, mommy's beating him. Look at her. Abuse.
Buddha's very upset.
Hey, hey, hey. Oh my gosh.
It's terrible, Peyton. It's so terrible.
Anyway, you can also see that his brother Buddha does not like it. What's the matter, Buddha? What's the matter? Okay.